Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I truly hope you guys are having a great day. I'm here with another video. This time I'm in the kitchen making lunch and my husband will be joining me. Stay tuned. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please take a moment, show your girl some love. Subscribe to the channel, and this time we are making cabbage, Jamaican style. These are fresh from the garden in the back. Stay tuned. That's my husband preparing the cabbage. He's cutting them. He's gonna cut them and cook them with some tomato. He's cutting them up. I think he needs my help, so at this time I'm gonna offer him some help. Here we go. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, hit that button, turn on your bell. You'll never miss another upload. Just a few more slices and he'll be finished. I think he's putting some tomatoes in, and he's gonna put a little bit of pepper and some onions. Stay tuned, guys. I think now he's putting in some garlic. A bit more garlic. And he likes to slice them very thin. Now I think he's putting in some fresh onions. And he likes to slice them, not chop. He's slicing them in some small cubes. Now he's mixing it. Looks pretty tasty. Now he's putting in some pepper. This is the part I don't like. Those peppers were grown in the backyard. They are really hot. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, he's putting some olive oil in. And now he's putting in some spices. I think that's some kind of peppery sauce or seasoning. He's putting in some salt. And that's it. I think he put black pepper in already. Now it's going on to the top of the stove. Guys, don't forget, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. Guys, he's making Jamaican dumplings. It's flour, cornmeal, and salt. And he's gonna add some water to it and make those dumplings. Stay tuned. He's finished with the flour, the cornmeal, and a little salt. Now he's gonna make those big round ones and put them in the pot. Stay tuned. Oh, guys, take a look. That's so good. That is awesome. Looking delicious. Delicious. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Show your girl some love. Guys, lunch is served. And we have some dumpling, some cabbage, and some avocado. And here we have some orange juice, freshly squeezed. Let's try and see how it tastes. Pretty tasty. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, Please go ahead, hit that notification bell, turn on your button so you'll never miss a beat. At this time, I'm going to dig into some of this lunch. So stay tuned for the next video. And guys, this is where I say bye-bye. Have a nice day, guys.